Poppy's workshop. This is Heart Health 3, right? 3? 1, 2. Yeah, all three of them are still there. But what are these things? Like I said, this is Heart Health 3. If you haven't seen Heart Health 1 and Heart Health 2, go back and watch 1. Then watch 2. See, in 1, I tried to scare you into going to see a cardiologist and getting your heart checked out. I hope it worked. In 2, I got a little bit humorous. This is 3, where I'm going to talk about those darling angels of mercy, the cardiac nurses. When you go to your room after your procedure, whether it's a stent or 5-way bypass or 4 valve replacements, if you don't go to cardiac ICU because you're really bad case, and they just take you to HVU, heart vascular unit, wake up in the normal heart room. There's the nurses, the brightest, the prettiest, the sweetest. I mean, after all, you're laying there, you just have a 3-way bypass, and every part of you hurts. Pain! Do you want something for pain? Yes, please! And they bring you your dinner and your breakfast. Well, I'll check and see if doctor will let you have coffee, dear. Good luck. You do. They pick the young ladies that make you want to remember why you wanted to stay alive. They wired your sternum back together, and you're stapled or sutured above that. You got these 3 drains coming right up under your sternum, going around your heart. They want to know if anything starts to leak. Me, because I had to excise a big hunk of my right lung, I had a 3rd one right here up under, I think it's the 3rd intercostal. Anyway, they didn't want to know if that lung started to leak. And there's the drains down in my right leg where they got the saphenous vein from. My IV, the Foley catheter, the inflatable leg warmers blow up and release, to pump blood out of your legs, and wired for sound, or is it wired to be a SAC missile command base? Beeps going on around me. They want you to remember that you really do want to be alive because you feel like hell. Literally every part of you hurts. Your head. You thought you had headaches. You thought you had bad headaches when you had a migraine. It was medicate, dark, quiet room, ride out the storm. Have open heart surgery. Hydrogen bomb going off between your ears. Yeah. But you're alive. You know how you know you're alive? Every part of you hurts. But you're alive. You've got that second chance. Don't waste it. Quit the damn cigarettes or whatever form of tobacco you're on. Except maybe for the gums so you can quit burning the crap. Overweight, stop eating. And everything that cardiologist tells you to do, obey. Unless you can find a better cardiologist. I found the best one in the world. Yeah, I did. If you want to know my cardiologist's name, watch Heart Health 1. I'm going to go for now.